Previously, software was defined and created as a monolithic. There's just one set of code for all the different aspects of the vehicle.
We believe that we have to make automotive software development much more efficient and much simpler and easier for the developers.
Aptiv's SVA approach is quite unique in the industry, and it's unique in a way that it was built with modularity and flexibility in mind.
So that you don't have to update everything at the same time. It makes the development lead time a lot faster.
We can have access to all these tools, processes, software, and functionalities out of one single pane of glass environment, end to end.
We will separate the development of applications, and OEMs can change hardware late in the game or throughout the new program, but still maintain the software layer.
After you've completed your test and validation tasks and deployed your functionality virtually on a virtual workbench, you can simply push one button and your functionality is deployed over the air in the vehicle.
This is happening across the whole industry, and centralizing software is the key to that.
DevOps solution accelerates software development cycles, improves quality, and reduces dependency on the actual hardware used for development and testing.
Tier 1s and 2 and 3 might still develop their hardware and software pieces, but they will map to that well-defined interface. That should help also for OEMs when they receive those pieces to do a better job on the integration.
Because we understand that our consumers, in particular, automotive OEMs, are very sensitive to the idea of vendor lock-in. If a company has built a lot of value in a certain part of the software stack, we enable them to, bring their product into the entire stack that we're offering.
Helping them with post-sale feature enablements like safety or customer experience features.
So this accelerates software development cycles, improves quality while reducing the costs.